All right, guys. Yeah. First of all, let me tell you one thing. Um, Today, like I just came out directly from my workout. I did almost like around 100 push-ups. Did 500 last night, just to make sure that I'm strong mentally. I don't want like to snap. I just wanted to do 500 push-ups before I go to bed, and I did that. And it's nothing to brag about, and it's not about I did 500 push-ups or not. It's about proving myself that I'm mentally strong. I can even also lie if you think it's lie. It's up to you, but it's about proving myself that I'm mentally strong. All right, let's go. Let's go and do the trading stuff. Today I didn't take a trade, which is February 4th. I didn't take any trade, but I called the trade to the T. It was perfect to the T. No, I'm not. I don't know. I don't feel anything about it. My trade gave me 1 is to 24 R, which is like a significant number. It hit all my T profit, and I don't know. I don't feel anything. I'm just happy, and I feel like this is a win day because I didn't construct any other trade opportunities. I didn't take any other trades. I was just focused on my plans, and I was just following my rules. That's it, and I am happy for that. And I'm really happy for that. And I'm proud that I did what I did. All right, let's get into the chart. I have to. I have to mm, break down 2 days of trade, 2 days, 2 days. Today, mainly, which is yesterday and day before yesterday. I didn't break down that trade over there. So, day before yesterday was pretty bullish day and everything was perfect. Had market sector shifts and stuff, and I just missed out because there was a news on. I just didn't want to trade and stuff, right? And also I was waiting for the price to fill the market gap that they created this week. And yeah, that was supposed to be my Tron liquidity because I for sure like 75% know that the price is gonna go and fill the market gap. So yeah, here's what here's what it is. I was up about somewhere. Yeah, I was in the market from this area because I woke up 6 o'clock and I have to like brush my teeth and stuff, right? If you don't do, you're not human, right? Alright. So, so this is what was happening on a 15-minute time frame. Market was creating a value gap, and it was almost doing the same stuff. It was about to go in, but I don't want to jump in right away. I just wanted to, like, wait for the confluence. And yeah, here it gave me a confluence. I would have looked for sales after this shift to structure, and I was waiting for this market shift. Thank God I was not uh taking that particular trade over there. So on the 5 minute time frame, it was on a 5 minute time frame. Oh yeah, should be on that. Yeah, I think it's 15. Somewhere, yeah. It was a 15-minute time frame. The value gap and also all the black over here. Should have entered somewhere around here, but that was pretty early entry, to be honest. Pretty early. Yeah. And that's when I found out this. So I also written that in my OneNote. Let's open that. Yeah. If you have a family gap and the price, just tap the family gap and it creates another family gap. Price comes back to the low of the wick, which tapped the family gap and continue to the same direction. So what I mean over here is, so the price was creating a 15-minute family gap, and also there is another family gap which just happened and just moved up and created another family gap, which is another family gap. This is the one, the another one. And after that, the price always comes back to the price where the first family gap has just happened. So it will come and sweep the low of the day, sweep the low of the family gap the price which just tapped the first fair value gap and moves to the same direction. So here's what had happened, and yeah, it was a pretty good concept that I learned yesterday, and I applied it today, and pretty much worked out. Yeah, and yeah, it was a miracle. I don't even know how I didn't get stopped out from the trade. It was just a tick away from my stop loss. I closed the trade pretty fast. I didn't even let the trade run to one because I don't need to, be in the trade because it was news and it was continuously fluctuating. And I felt like it's not a good mentally it was not good for me. So I just closed it to somewhere around here. Yeah, somewhere around here. I didn't want to be a part of the trade. So yeah, if I would have caught that move, and also I took off the take profit, so which I felt a little bit greedy by doing that. So I didn't want to be following the things that I was following. So yeah, that's the reason why I closed the trade pretty soon. Let's come today. I mean, like 4th of February. Let's come there. So here's what is what happening. Let's go to the daily time frame first of all, which I basically do every single day. I go to daily time frame and look what happened in the previous day, and it gives me pretty much everything. It tells me pretty much everything, or like what to do, what not to do, right? So it was this, and the price was pretty bullish and supposed to like it was huge bullish candle. And I was expecting another sweep of this zone over here, or probably somewhere around here. Yeah, but I was looking for this particular zone that I wanted the price to go to. So yeah, let's go to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour seems pretty bullish. And here's where my 100% confidence came. Um, as I was saying, price which the price just tapped into the fair value gap, the first fair value gap, and it moves up, creates another fair value gap, and and it always comes back to the fair value gap, which the price just tapped in. And I don't know how to explain this properly, but maybe this would be a good example. So the price just tapped in, created another fair value gap. The price came back and swept the low of that fair value gap, low of the candle which tapped in the fair value gap. So it's a pretty good confluence, isn't it? Why not try this out? I'm gonna try this out every single day from now. So after this, I went down to the 15 minutes cycle, which had a market structure shift. Yeah, it's had a market structure shift. Pretty good, right? So price had a fair value gap on that valley on a pre-discount zone. It has a 15-minute fair value gap. I just wanted the price to come back to that zone and just move up to the continue to the same direction. So as soon as the price came in, I just moved to 1 minute. And I didn't have any other uh, zone to target or like any other uh, time frame to look into. And I saw this fair value gap right around somewhere around here. So the price was instantly reacting to that. So I don't even know. I was not pretty confident, but after seeing this candle, I was about to take. I just literally called that trade off. I was like telling it to myself as soon as the price it comes into the value gap that which created here, which created here. I just wanted to enter right off that value gap, and yeah, I should have entered somewhere around here, but I don't know. And I did also inverse value gap over here, which I could have entered also here. Everything was recorded live, and I was in live, and I was talking about how I was feeling up after the price was moving up like this. And yeah, I closed my laptop somewhere around here. I could have at least gotten somewhere around here. It's the finance market situation. Yeah, I would have probably gotten somewhere around here, but I still didn't do it because I missed my first entry and I was sticking to my rule. And this was the episode that I would have got the trade. I mean, like, look at this. This almost gave me like 1 is 24 hour, like, which is literally crazy. Not gonna get a move like this every single day, right? So I was not worried about it. And it was just pretty. I mean, like, this is a matter of confidence for me. I didn't lose any money, and the market is respecting the thought process that I'm having, right? The market is respecting my psychology. And yeah, I'm really happy for that. And also, I'm proud of myself because I didn't take a trade. Yeah, I didn't take a trade. I was not constructing any other entries somewhere around here. I was not looking for anything else. I just missed out my first entry and I was pretty much done for the day. And this is what I should have been doing ever since I started doing this thing. And I don't know, something got into me very lately. And yeah, I feel good and I feel confident about what I'm doing right now. So yeah, pretty much pretty good. Like, and I would love to continue, and I love to continue like this. And I hope I do this for the rest of my life. So everything was good. So that's it. And here we go again. Like, pretty much basically the same thing going to be happening tomorrow. I'm going to look for buy. So yeah, I don't want to talk too much. Yeah. So I came up with this quote that my brother showed me. So lazy people destroy what they have and what they have given. So lazy people destroy what they have and what they are given. So that's it.